hear people say the ticket price way too high, so they not going home, but not me. Even if it's me alone, I will take a fishing boat on 95 days to reach down there. People say the costume cost a arm and a leg. Well, I will have to take a loan, but I'll be there for you. I not going carnival to count no loss or no profits. I already have a hole in my pockets. People dying so fast, and I only have one life, so I better live it. Plus, only going home to see my granny. The road could be empty, it could be just me. Carnival, I will never leave you lonely. You can catch me on the road, is more room for me behind the big truck. Betting hard, like I just win the jackpot. I could be broke, but I will have to take a loan, but I'll be there for you. Behind any troop, once it have a dream struck, tell the band, keep the rhythm non-stop. Team no sleep, so I don't need no bed. What is sleep when the booyah